Hello ROS developers and welcome to the ROS Questions and Answers video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars. Everything about ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I am Alberto and today we are going to be checking a question I found in the ROS Answers forum, which is quite old, but I was interested in answering it and showing how this could be solved. So we are going to be reviewing this. Here we have a solution, of course, and I'm going to show an alternate solution using Python, how to solve this issue. So yeah, but before anything else, remember to visit our Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy where you will find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation required. You will find the link to the academy on the video description. Now let's start with the video itself. So as I've said, let me close this before. I'm going to be reviewing this question, which says, I would like to know if it is possible to publish on a topic for a certain time. Fix it before publishing. For example, I want to publish a linear velocity, a twist message for 3 seconds and then stop the robot. Thanks. Okay, so there are many ways to achieve this. As always, there is not only one correct way to do it. For instance, here this user is using the ROS time now and the ROS duration. And what I'm going to do is to show a different solution, which is using the timer class from rospy. So let's go, as always, to RDS and let's create a new project. I'm going to call it timer QA, and I'm going to use the Gazebo 7 AMI. So yeah, let's create this project and let's open it. There we go. Now let's wait a few seconds until the whole environment loads. Here we are. Great, so let's open an IDE window so that we can visualize our files. And let's open a shell as well. And the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is I'm going to create a package. So catkin create package, timer QA, and I'm going to add rospy as a dependency. There we go. So now in macaking workspace, my new package will appear. Here I have it, timer QA. And let's create a new file here, which I'm going to call timer QA.py. And let's make sure that this file has execution permissions. There we are. So that we can execute it properly. Great, so let's now build a very simple example, which will be to move our robot. So for instance, there we are, let's import rospy, and from geometry messages.message import the twist type, because we are going to be moving a robot. Then let's initiate a node, which I'm going to call move robot. Let's define as well a rate. Let's put it a bit higher. Great, so let's create now our publisher, rospy publisher. We are going to be publishing into the command vel topic twist messages. There we are. Then let's create also our move message. I'm not going to go into details about all this that I'm doing. It's basic ROS stuff, and we have many videos where you can see what I'm doing here. It's very simple. So yeah, I'm going to create the twist message, and then I'm going to be publishing into the linear X so that I can move the robot. And finally, let's create here a loop. Why not? Rospy is shut down. We are going to, oops, what happened here? Okay, we are going to publish, remove message, and sleep. And yeah, I think that's basically all. So yeah, basically I am just creating a ROS node, I am creating a publisher, I am defining the message that I'm going to publish into this topic, into the command belt topic, and then I'm doing a loop which says that while rospy is not shut down, so while no one stops this program, I will keep publishing this message into the command belt topic, so I will keep moving the robot at a rate which is defined here by the rate, which is 5 Hertz. So yeah, that's basically it. Then let's try our program. Let's first of all launch a simulation, for instance the Husky one. There we are. So let's wait until the simulation loads. Okay, almost there. Okay, so here we have it. Let's close this. Great, so here we have the simulation, and I have some walls here, so I'm going to delete this so that the robot can move freely forwards. So let me just delete this. Great, so now I'm going to run my code, which was timer QA. Great, and as you can see, the robot starts moving forward until someone stops the program, for instance by doing a Control-C here. But if nothing happens, if I leave it like this, the robot will keep moving endlessly. Yes? So let's stop this program now so that the robot stops as well. There we are. And great, so how can we do it in order to move it a certain period of time? So here I am controlling this rate, which is of 5 Hertz, so I cannot do anything inside here in order to control the time. I could do it like in the answer here, for instance. There are many ways to do it, but I am going to show another one, which is using the rospy timer function, which, as you will see, it's very simple. So let's add a couple of things here. The first of all, I'm going to add here the timer, which is done like this: rospy.timer. Then I define a duration, which I'm going to set at, let's say, I don't know, 4 seconds. And I define also a callback function. Yes, then I will need to define, of course, this callback function. I'm going to do it here, def my callback. And we need to put here the event. Then inside here I'm going to put, let's say, a print, which says, hey, 4 seconds have passed. And then I'm going to trigger a shutdown event. So rospy signal shutdown, and here we need to put a reason for the shutdown. So just stopping the robot. Okay, so what I have done here, basically I have created this timer which says that whenever this duration, which is 4 seconds in this case, have passed, when 4 seconds have passed, I will trigger this callback function. Yes, so this event will be triggered. Yes, then inside this event, I basically have a print to tell the user that 4 seconds have passed, and I am doing a shutdown. Yes, so I will be stopping this program from publishing messages into the command belt topic. Yeah, so I will basically stop this program from moving the robot anymore. Yes, so it's quite simple, as you can see. Then let's test it. Let's see how this works. Let's come here and let's execute again our Python script. There we are. So the robot starts moving, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now, as you can see, the robot has stopped. I have my print message here, hey, 4 seconds have passed, and then I have this traceback, which is normal in ROS whenever a shutdown request is done. So yes, you can see it works as it should. Let's try it again. So we start publishing, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and now it stops. Yes? So yeah, that's it. I wanted to show this this method of triggering events at a certain period of time. So I hope you have learned something with the video. And if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. Either you like it or not, please share your thoughts and questions in the comments area. Goodbye!